From snowy coats that vanish in the Arctic to fiery orange fur that glows in the forest, foxes are nature's masterpieces. These are the foxes with the most breathtaking coats on Earth. Number 17. Red Fox. This is the classic fox we all know and love. Its fiery orange coat and bushy white-tipped tail are absolutely iconic. It is highly adaptable and lives all over the Northern Hemisphere. Number 16. Arctic Fox. This beautiful creature has a magical coat that changes with the seasons. In winter, it wears a thick, pure white coat to blend into the snow. In summer, its fur turns a rocky brown. It is a true master of camouflage. Number 15. Fennec Fox. Famous for its oversized ears, this tiny desert dweller has a lovely cream-colored coat. Its fur reflects the harsh sun during the day and keeps it warm during cold desert nights. Number 14. Silver Fox. This is actually a color variation of the red fox, but it looks incredibly striking. Its dark, glossy coat is frosted with silver tips, giving it a mysterious and elegant look. Number 13. Cross Fox. Another stunning variation of the red fox. This one features a dark stripe running down its back and across its shoulders. This forms a distinct cross pattern that contrasts beautifully with its orange and black fur. Number 12. Grey Fox. With its salt and pepper coat and rusty highlights, this fox is a true beauty. It is also one of the only canine species that can climb trees, which makes it very unique. Number 11. Kit Fox. This small desert fox has a lovely yellowish-grey coat that helps it blend into arid environments. Its large ears and slender frame give it a delicate and charming appearance. Number 10. Swift Fox. Closely related to the kit fox, this speedy little animal has a beautiful light tan coat with a black-tipped tail. It can run incredibly fast across the open grasslands. Number 9. Tibetan Sand Fox. This fox has a very distinct, square-shaped face and a dense grey coat. Its thick fur protects it from the freezing winds of the high Tibetan plateau. Number 8. Cape Fox. The only true fox found in South Africa, this animal has a lovely silver-grey coat with a dark, bushy tail. It is a small nocturnal hunter that shines under the moonlight. Number 7. Pale Fox. Living in the dusty Sahel region of Africa, this fox has a pale, sandy-coloured coat that perfectly matches its desert home. It is very elusive and rarely seen by humans. Number 6. Rüppell's Fox. This fox has soft, sandy-coloured fur and giant ears. It is perfectly adapted to extremely dry environments, and its light coat helps reflect the intense desert heat. Number 5. Corsac Fox. Found in the steppes of Central Asia, this fox has a beautiful grey and yellow coat. It is known for its social behaviour, often living in small family groups during the winter. Number 4. Blanford's Fox. This incredibly cute fox has a soft, cat-like face and a massive, fluffy tail. Its grey and buff coat helps it hide among rocky cliffs in the Middle East. Number 3. Bengal Fox. Also known as the Indian fox, this animal has a sleek, silvery grey coat. It is highly agile and can be seen darting across the plains of the Indian subcontinent. Number 2. Island Fox. This tiny creature lives on the Channel Islands of California. It has a gorgeous coat with shades of grey, rusty red, and bright white. They are incredibly small, which makes their colourful fur stand out even more. It is truly a beautiful sight. Number 1. Darwin's Fox. This is one of the rarest foxes in the entire world. They live in Chile and have a dark, sleek coat. It features striking white markings on their chin and a lovely rusty red tint on their ears. This contrast makes them look incredibly elegant.